You know, if you're learning a business like this for the first time, it's so subjective to the point where you have to kind of find your own way. And a lot of these courses, they're going to teach you some basis of what they do, or just a generic viewpoint about what they do, about the industry, and then pretty much they're going to let you just fend to yourself anyway and fend for yourself anyway. So it's kind of like, you know, you learn a certain skill, you know, you learn how to play a sport, or you learn an instrument, and you know, a person can only do so much anyway. I mean, I could teach you what I do. I could have a whole module on how to play this instrument, or how to do this and how to do that. But if you don't put in the time and the work for yourself to find yourself in that particular arena, to find your zone, to find your place and find your space in that zone, you know, you're not going to have much success anyway. So it really doesn't do you much justice to try to look for a course to get you $1 million, or to just, you know, make you make $1,000 by today or something. You know, it just doesn't work like that. And in this industry especially, it just doesn't work like that. And you know, the courses are just way too ambiguous. Like I said, you know, it's way too much generic kind of floaty information. You know, they kind of teach you a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and the reason why that's the case is because even they know, everybody knows in this industry, that when you trade, each and every day that you trade is something different. There's something different happening. There's something brand new. There's something extra. There's something, you know, or there's nothing happening at all. And you have to be prepared for that. You have to be prepared for the moment. You have to deal with the moment at hand. And you know, you could prepare for a lot of different strategies or methods and things of that nature, but you really have to play the moment. You know, you have to be in that moment. So it's very difficult to teach that anyway. You know, you can learn certain mechanics. You know, you can learn analysis. You know, you can learn technical things. You can learn mechanical things. You know, you could learn simple things like how to use your platform properly, how to master your platform, whatever platform you're using. You know, you could learn things like that. That's very basic. That's very mechanical. You can learn terminology. You could, you know, learn a lot of different ideas and things of that nature. But when it comes to the actual activity of trading, it's very subjective, right? So it's like playing in sports. You know, you could watch film all day, you could learn how to shoot, you could learn all these different things, but what the coach can't teach you and what the trainer can't teach you is how to lose anxiety in the game. How to not be nervous before a game, or how to not be scared in the game, how to not be scared to shoot, how to rise up in very critical and very stressful moments. Okay, those are things that nobody can teach you. And in trading, it doesn't matter what course you follow, who you follow, what's going on. You know, those people can't teach you anything about the intangibles. They can't teach you how to not be scared to take a trade. They can't teach you how to lower your anxiety when you're in front of the chart and you lost 3 straight trades and now you're just petrified to take a trade. Nobody can teach you that. Nobody can teach you how to be even keel. Even if you do win 5 trades, even if you do win $5,000 in a week or in a day, you know, you have to be even keel. Nobody can teach you that. You have to learn and pick up on those nuances yourself. And a course just isn't going to do that. A course is only good for certain mechanical or analytical and theoretical subjective things.